All right, here's a nice 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Hard top, as you can see. Now, this particular car is done up as an SS Tribute. In 1972, the SS was a package that you could order with pretty much any engine. I do believe 307, even 350. So it wasn't as big a deal as far as getting that engine size and that horsepower. This particular car is powered by a 350. It is a numbers matching Chevelle with a 350 underneath the hood. Now, to tell the SS package, actually the call tag it has Z15 on it, so just want to make you aware of that. And there is a picture of the call tag, but there's still pictures, so you can check all of that out. This car has had a repaint and has been done up nicely as an SS Tribute. Now, as well as that 350 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC also, and FYI, the AC does blow cold. As you can see, they've blacked out the grill up front like the SS's would have had, along with the other badging. The white stripes are painted on with a clear over it. I would call the paint on this a driver quality paint. There's a few imperfections in it. I did notice you can kind of see along here, if I can get it to show up in the picture there, where you got a little bit of just kind of the pimples, fish eyes, some will call them. It's not real noticeable, but I want to make you aware of it. This car, definitely nice driver quality car though. Don't let that deter you. This car will turn heads, sounds good, looks good. It's got some nice options going for it, obviously, with power steering, power brakes, and AC. Wheels on it, kind of the smoked gray. 5-spoke, and you can see up and down this car, it's not wavy like you will see on black cars in a heartbeat. If they're full of Bondo or putty, you're going to start to see waves to them. And of course, you can see the reflection in this car is incredible. So decent paint on it, shows nice. One of the nice things also, shoulder belt and lap belt seat belts have been installed in this when it was redone. So I wanted to hook those up so you could kind of see how they work. Dash pretty much stock with the exception of the little aftermarket Alpine stereo put in there, and then some smaller gauges down below. Horseshoe shifter, bucket seats, black vinyl. Now, if you want to trade any vehicles, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And of course, you may be eligible for an extended warranty. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Come around to the rear, you can see the SS badging back here also, and chrome is in nice shape. Again, paint good back here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look at the underside of this car, look at the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Phone number is 507-386-1726. Feel free to call us too. Be happy to discuss this car with you. Pop this door open so you check out this interior a little better. We even have the SS door panels in here. Carpeting also in nice shape. Check out your seats. The vinyl's not ripped, torn, showing a bunch of wear or anything like that. And again, you can see how that seatbelt harness works. Will be an over the shoulder, so that'll work out nicely. A little safer than the old just lap belts. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. See, that car starts easily. Appears the gas gauge works. Alpine aftermarket stereo, all aftermarket gauges. Like I said, it is a AC car. AC does blow cold. Horseshoe shifter, dash in nice shape. Dome light also works, and headliner's also in good shape. Let's check those out. Alright. Door closes nicely. Slip around behind you. This car sounds really good. Nice little rumble turbo coming out of that 350, and again, numbers matching, original engine to this car. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood open so you can check out this engine bay. Pretty nice and tidy, and what you'd expect out of a pretty much nice stock 72 Chevelle. Alright, here we go. Hood pop. Now, the one thing I want to mention, I do have a prop rod up. Springs don't quite hold it. I didn't want it to fall down in the video here, but as you can see, AC, power steering, power brakes, MSD electronic ignition. It appears the AC has been converted also. I think that's the larger size fitting. Headers. So you can see, nice, well taken care of engine bay. Car runs good, sounds good. Best of all, that AC blows cold, the weather we've been having. So there you have it, 1972 Chevelle SS Tribute. Nice hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. You can see the pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Ask your sales associate when you email or call in.